Namaste, my name is Swami Shiva. I am based in Rishikesh, and here I am in front of you all to announce that the World Peace Yoga School is bringing up this golden opportunity and launching the best program ever during the pandemic period. And this is how the International Yoga Days we are going to celebrate. And the World Peace Yoga School is going to bring so many great masters in yoga and spiritual world. So 24th of June, I'm going to teach Yoga Nidra, where we traditionally include mantra, meditation and the chakra activation practices. And also I bring up some mantra yoga along with the Yoga Nidra, which is for self-transformation. So spread this message among your friends and yoga circle so that everybody can be benefited. And it's absolutely free and welcome to all. So let us celebrate this in larger scale all around the world. And yoga, as this is coming from this sacred soil of India and especially the Himalaya and Rishikesh, as you know that this is yoga and spiritual capital of the world. So yoga has always this message for the whole world to bring more peace and harmony within. When we have tremendous peace and harmony within, then we operate our life, we operate ourselves to serve the world in peace and harmony too. So the change and transformation, the clue for it, the master key for it, yoga has the answer. So let us celebrate for the better future and invite others to join this golden opportunity, not just for 4 days, 5 days program, but this is very initiative to continue the yoga journey as the part of our life. It's the essential part of our life. As we take food to nourish our body, similarly, yoga is the food for our spirit and soul. So let us enjoy and cherish the knowledge and wisdom that is coming from the tradition for 1,000 years from the sacred soil of India. And I'm glad and happy to announce, and I hope we see each other on 24 in Yoga Nidra class. Thank you very much. Namaste.